Good morning. It's Tuesday, November the 3rd, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV Resources Edition here every day exclusively on ReportOnBusiness.com. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing you the best press releases out of the resource sector at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 3 great press releases for you this morning, and I've got 1 halt to report on the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called ATAC Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol ATC. The company is announcing assay results for the final 11 holes from the 2009 diamond drill program at its wholly owned raw property, which is located in central Yukon. We got some big numbers coming out of the company. Hole number 66 returned an average of 5.11 grams per ton of gold over 71 meters, and all of this is starting just under the surface at 7 meters below surface. So congratulations to ATAC. Great numbers. A little bit about the company. They're an exploration company aggressively exploring for gold in Yukon, the Northwest Territories, and British Columbia. Last at 93 cents, high of $1.33, low of 7 cents, and a market cap of approximately $57 million. Moving on to our next company, Metals Creek Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol MEK. The company is announcing the commencement of drilling on its Staghorn property, which is approximately 50 kilometers northeast of the former gold-producing Hope Brook mine, which is located in Newfoundland. The program will consist of approximately 16 drill holes totaling 1,700 meters. The great news is that there's some historic drillings in this area. We've got some numbers which we have intersections of 1.47 grams per ton of gold over 23 meters, and we've got 0.23 grams per ton of gold over 53 meters. So we know for sure that there is gold in this area. Keep an eye on this one. Company is last at 11 cents, high of 27 cents, low of 4 cents, and a market cap of $3.2 million. Disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client, so as always, make sure you do your due diligence on each one of the companies you see on our show. And finally, we've got Freewest Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol FWR. Disclaimer, they also are an AGORACOM client. This news came out after the market, but it's definitely worthy of your attention, so we're repeating it here this morning. It's in response to the Noront offer. It's a hostile Noront offer trying to take over Freewest. We've got a response from the board of directors, who unanimously recommends that Freewest shareholders reject, once again, that's reject the Noront offer and not tender their Freewest shares. Members of the Freewest board of directors and Freewest senior officers are not tendering their Freewest shares to the Noront offer, which the board of directors view as offering inadequate consideration to Freewest shareholders. Now, if you're a Freewest shareholder and you want to reject the offer, you don't have to do anything. Simply do not tender your Freewest shares. A little bit about Freewest. They're a wealth-financed mineral exploration company with over $4 million in working capital, and they're actively exploring for gold, base metals, and chromite within Eastern Canada. Last at 50 cents, high of 56 cents, low of 12 cents, and the market cap of just under $100 million. Now, moving on to the halts. I've only got 1 halt for you. Ocean Park Ventures Corp trades on the venture under the symbol OCP.H. They've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. You'll find us here every day exclusively on ReportOnBusiness.com. Make sure to join us here again tomorrow.